Hey, Dr. Rick Wallace here, dropping in on you. Just want to have a real brief dialogue with you. I know for a fact that there are a lot of people out there that are going through some trying and troubling times right now. I know that because I talk to a lot of people who are in some pretty precarious situations and don't necessarily know how they're going to come out of it. I know some people who have some aspirations that they've been really striving toward for some time now, and they haven't been able to reach them. I know people who have lost loved ones. I know parents who have buried children. I know that you're going through some things out there, and you know, there are times that, just like you, I go through some difficult moments, but I want to take just a brief moment to encourage you, because even though it doesn't seem like it now, you're built for this. You're built for this battle, this moment, this intense standoff with life. You're built for it. You have what it takes to get through it. And as a matter of fact, where you need to go, where you want to go, where you want to be, requires that you meet this level of adversity with an unbelievable intent and commitment to make it through, because it's the adversity. I've said this numerous times. I've written about it, and I've said it numerous times, that adversity is the fertile soil in which the seeds of faith are planted and cultivated. There can be no growth. There can be no supernatural happenings. There can be no exponential explosions in your life in any area without there being a need for faith. And faith is called upon in times of adversity and extreme need. You don't need faith to know if I get up every day and go to work, I'm going to work, I'm going to get a paycheck on Friday or on the 1st and the 15th. That's a given. All you got to do is get up and go. But when you're talking about changing your life, when you're talking about saving your marriage, when you're talking about taking your marriage to the next level, when you're talking about putting children out there in the world that will be producers and creators and leaders, you need faith. And you're going to have the adversity that shapes you, because adversity takes you to the unfamiliar, the unpredictable, the thing that you've got to rise to a new level to meet. That's the beauty of adversity, is it's not meant to destroy you. It's there to challenge you to change, challenge you to grow, challenge you to rise to a new level. I'm calling all of you out and challenging you. Don't duck the adversity. Don't go looking for it. But when it comes, be prepared to stand. Be prepared to push through. Be prepared to rise, because you're built for it. Everything that I've ever done that is of any significance came with challenge attached to it. It didn't just fall in my lap. Now, there were times that I had built so much momentum from just standing, pushing, and fighting and being relentless that sometimes it just seems like things were rolling. But the work that was behind it, the challenges that had to be overcome, were still there. What I'm trying to tell you is you're built for the moment. You're built for the battle. You're built for what's going on. You've got it, but you got to stand up. You got to push through. You can't relent. Understand this, too. This is extremely important. Delay does not mean denial. Please understand that. Delay does not mean denial. On that note, I'm going to check out of here. I just had to drop that on you. You guys have an unbelievable